Hello students, today we will summarize most of the reactions of aromatic compounds that are included in the organic chemistry for class 12th. We will do the reactions mainly which involve toluene and benzene, and these reactions are important for the conversion reactions. So if you have to convert one functional group into another one, what reagent you must be using, that will become clear by using this mind map. So let us start with benzene. This is benzene. Benzene is converted into toluene. How can you convert benzene into toluene? By Friedel-Crafts reaction. Clear? So you have to take CH3Cl plus anhydrous AlCl3. You will get toluene. Now this toluene is a very important reagent and it can be converted to many functional groups. Let's start with KMnO4KOH. You all know that it is a strong oxidizing agent. और जब भी हम strong oxidizing agent use करेंगे organic chemistry में, तो final product we get the acids, carboxylic acid. So first since we are taking alkaline medium here, it will be converted to potassium salt of benzoic acid, and on acidification we will get benzoic acid. So you must know what reagent you are using for converting one group into another. क्लियर? तो ये स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है. स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट से एसिड्स बनते हैं, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एज अ मेजर प्रोडक्ट. नाउ वी कैन डू अनदर रिएक्शन फ्रॉम दिस टोलुइन वेयर वी कैन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू बेंजल्डिहाइड by reaction with a weak oxidizing agent. This is a weak or selective oxidizing agent, chromyl chloride in presence of CH2, and you will get here benzaldehyde, means benzene ring पे CHO group आ जाएगा. तो can you see you have a toluene here, CH3 group को तुमने carboxylic group में भी convert कर सकते हैं. We can convert it into the aldehyde group also. So it can be converted to benzaldehyde as well as benzoic acid. Clear? This reaction is known as Itard reaction. Itard reaction. Clear? Now coming to this one, you have benzaldehyde here. Benzaldehyde to benzoic acid. This is oxidation. यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन को हटा के एक ऑक्सीजन लगा ऐड कर, सॉरी वी आर एडिंग वन ऑक्सीजन हियर. तो यहाँ पे एक ऑक्सीजन को ऐड करना है तो क्या होगा? ऑक्सीडेशन. ऑक्सीडेशन कैन बी कैरिड आउट बाय यूजिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. यू कैन यूज H2CrO4 Jones reagent. You can use KMnO4KOH. You can use K2Cr2O7 in acidic medium. So benzaldehyde can be converted to benzoic acid. Now come to this reaction. Cl2 in presence of light. See, whenever the reaction of Cl2 is done in presence of light, the substitution reaction takes place in the alkyl part. तो यहाँ पे मिलेगा CH2Cl. Clear? And with aqueous KOH, this Cl will be replaced by OH group. You will get CH2OH. And this CH2OH can be converted to COH group. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Oxidation. You are removing these two hydrogen and you are adding oxygen. Oxidation हो रहा है, and oxidation can take place in presence of any strong oxidizing agent. You can use Cr2O7H plus or any strong oxidizing agent you can use. Clear? This compound can also be converted to benzaldehyde by another process or by using another reagent. Can you recall the name of that reagent? This is alcoholic group. Alcohol to aldehyde means controlled oxidation. Controlled oxidation by using PCC. Clear? You can also convert this benzaldehyde or this aldehyde group to CHO group. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Reduction. And reduction can be carried out by using NaBH4. So they can be interconverted. इन दोनों को interconvert कर सकते हैं. अल्कोहल का ऑक्सीडेशन करेंगे by using weak oxidizing agent. PCC यूज कर सकते हैं, anhydrous CrO3 यूज कर सकते हैं. You will get benzaldehyde. बेंजल्डिहाइड का रिडक्शन कर देंगे यूजिंग सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड, यू विल गेट दिस कंपाउंड. ठीक है, बेंजाइल अल्कोहल. नाउ कमिंग टू दिस साइड, we'll start from here now. Benzene with CH3COCl, we have prepared both aldehyde भी बना लिया, acid भी बना लिए. Now acid ketones. Benzene की reaction अगर हम CH3COCl in presence of AlCl3 कराते हैं, means Friedel-Crafts acylation. ठीक है, Friedel-Crafts acylation, we will get ketone group attached on benzene ring, COCH3. You can take any group here and you will get that group here. So you can prepare aromatic ketones by using Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. ये नहीं है, इधर से बनेगा. Now see this reaction, COH2 by reaction with SOCl2 और PCl3 और PCl5. क्या होगा, ये रिएक्शन होती है OH जिसमें भी होता है, अल्कोहल्स में और कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में OH ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है. On reaction with these three reagent, OH group is replaced by Cl. So what you will get? COCl. Clear? And this COCl on reaction with dialkyl cadmium, यहाँ पे अगर dialkyl cadmium यूज करते हो तो CdCl2 रिमूव हो जाएगा, ये रिमूव हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे Cl की जगह CH3 आ जाएगा, मीन्स यू विल गेट दिस कंपाउंड. तो ये रिएक्शन हो रही है इस स्टेप में. Clear? So you have prepared aromatic ketone from benzene, you have prepared it from acid. एसिड की रिएक्शन SOCl2 से कराई, एसिड क्लोराइड बना, एसिड क्लोराइड को डायल्काइल कैडमियम के साथ ट्रीट कर दो, यू विल गेट aromatic ketone. If you are treating it with hydrogen in presence of palladium supported over BeSO4, you will get the same compound here, benzaldehyde. ठीक है, यही कंपाउंड मिल जाएगा बेंजल्डिहाइड. सो आई एम शोइंग इट हेयर. ये स्टेप यहाँ से कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा इसमें. सो दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज रोजेनमुंड रिडक्शन. रोजेनमुंड रिडक्शन. क्लियर? सो वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड एरोमेटिक एल्डिहाइड, वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड एरोमेटिक एसिड्स एंड एरोमेटिक कीटोन्स फ्रॉम बेंजीन एंड टोल्यूइन. क्लियर? Now coming to this side, come to this side. This is benzene on reaction with Cl2 in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. You will get chlorobenzene. देखो Cl2 की रिएक्शन अगर कैटलिस्ट की प्रेजेंस में कराएंगे and in dark you will get the substitution on benzene ring. If you are doing the reaction with halogens in presence of light, you will get the substitution on the alkyl part. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे बनेगा chlorobenzene. Now this chlorobenzene can be converted to phenol by reaction with NaOH, aqueous NaOH at 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere, and this process is known as Dose process. Clear? So you can convert chlorobenzene to phenol using the Dose process. Now come to this side. Benzene on reaction with H2SO4 concentrated gives concentrate H2SO4 से सल्फोनेशन होता है, you will get sulfonic acid group, SO3H बनेगा. ठीक है, इसका फ्यूजन कराएंगे NaOH के साथ. पहले यहाँ पे SO3Na आएगा and then it will react and it will form ONA, means sodium phenoxide. You got sodium phenoxide and on acidification it will give phenol. Clear? So this is another process for preparation of phenol. Phenol को हमने prepare किया chlorobenzene and then phenol. और alternate pathways, concentrate H2SO4 से sulfonic acid बनाया, then fusion with NaOH, you will get sodium phenoxide. Acidification, you will get phenol. Now this sodium phenoxide can be converted to ethers by Williamson synthesis. So I am not showing Williamson synthesis here. Now see this benzaldehyde. You have prepared benzaldehyde from toluene by Itard reaction. Benzene से भी बन सकता है by reaction with CO plus HCl and in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, CHO एक electrophile generate होगा and it will attack at the benzene ring, and this reaction is known as Gattermann-Koch reaction. So this is another reaction for preparation of benzaldehyde directly from benzene. तो benzene से भी benzaldehyde बना सकते हैं, toluene से भी benzaldehyde बना सकते हैं. Clear? Now coming to this part, on reaction with concentrated H2SO4 and HNO3, nitration takes place and you will get nitrobenzene. नाइट्रोबेंजीन का रिएक्शन कराएंगे Sn प्लस HCl. इट इज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट यूज फॉर नाइट्रो ग्रुप, और Fe प्लस HCl यू कैन यूज. यू विल गेट एनिलीन NH2. क्लियर? एनिलीन की रिएक्शन अगर हम कराते हैं, एनिलीन इज द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट हियर. नाउ इफ यू आर treating it with HNO2 nitrous acid at 0 degrees Celsius, you will get disonium salt. Disonium salt मिलता है यहाँ से N2 plus Cl minus, and this N2 plus Cl minus can be converted back to benzene. How? You can convert this back to benzene. कैसे convert करेंगे? By reduction with H3PO2. Clear? So this can be converted back to benzene. Now come to this side, we have prepared benzoic acid. Benzoic acid में जो carboxyl group है, it can be converted to different groups. On reaction with ammonia, you will get ammonium salt, and then heating, one water molecule will be removed, you will get amide. So you will get benzamide. This is benzamide. Clear? This benzamide can be converted to this aniline. How? You can convert benzamide to aniline. By what process? You will use Br2 plus KOH. Which reaction is this? Hofmann bromide degradation. It is used for descent of series, means removing one carbon from the chain. If you are treating this aniline with CHCl3 in presence of alcoholic KOH, you will get isocyanides, which is used as a test for foul smelling isocyanides are obtained, and this is used as a test for primary amines, whether aliphatic or aromatic, and this is known as carbylamine reaction. Clear? So this is all about conversions of different substrates here. You can do many more reactions here, like you can convert this to ester by reaction with alcohol. Alcohol के साथ reaction कराएंगे तो ये ester में convert हो जाएगा, COO, C2H5. You can convert this benzoic acid to many different groups. So this is all about the mind map. It will help you to do the conversion reactions easily. I hope you like the video. That's all. Thank you.